How to add payment methods in Shopify. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to go about putting a payment method in Shopify. So if you don't know what Shopify is just a online platform where you can sell. So now if you haven't signed in already, I suggest signing in, and once you sign in, you want to go down to the bottom left corner and click settings. Now once you click settings, you want to scroll down here and click payments. And now you want to add payment method. You want to search up the one that you want to use, so Visa, add MasterCard, maybe American Express. We'll just do that for now. Depending on your location, you could probably use Skrill. I reckon Skrill is probably the best one because a lot of countries can sign up and use that. So I would click activate. And about Skrill. So Skrill is one of the most largest online payment systems in the world and provides access to an international network with over 80 payment options in 200 countries. So this is why Skrill would be great for this. And to add it, you want to add your merchant email and your secret word. So for now, I'm not going to do that, but once you did put those in, you would want to activate Skrill. And once you've activated Skrill, you can go back to settings and go back to payments, and it would come up here saying that you can accept it. Before we end the video, I want to show a few more methods. So you want to click Visa. So this is all depending on what you want to add. I would say Visa, a Discovery. So if you want to do Visa Electron, sorry, or say if you want to add zip payment where you can do installment payments, so you click zip, and once you've clicked that, or actually you can't click, depending on your location, some of these will be in. So mine's Australia, so yeah, some of these are not in here, but that one is. So now if I want to do ocean payment, Asia bill payments, depending on your location, I'd be doing research on that. And once you've decided what you want to add, you can click activate and connect. So this one is about ocean payment. We at Ocean Payments are available to address the needs of cross-border merchants for local payment methods by providing alternative country-specific payment methods that cover the market worldwide. This helps merchants increase their sales, revenue, and expand to new markets. So yeah, this is all depending on what you want to add. So once you've added that one, it would come up here somewhere. Another good one would be PayPal. So if you have PayPal in your country, I would suggest putting that one in there because it's a payment provider where you can accept most countries. So I would suggest to put that one in there. And yeah, so once you've decided, that's pretty much it. And now you can accept payments. I suggest to do a test run. You can search up on YouTube how to do a test run and see if your payment method is working. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you for watching until the end, and subscribe. Bye.